Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, what is the naming convention of interfaces in Java? Let me answer. We have to name the interfaces in upper camel case. Similar to the project names, that is Java project names or Java classes. We also have to name the interfaces in upper camel case only. Okay. So that is the way we have to name the interfaces in Java in upper camel case. So what actually the upper camel case means, I'm going to explain now. Okay. So there are two conventions for namings in naming anything in Java. One is like lower camel case, we call lower camel case. And the other side, we have the upper camel case. Okay. Other way of naming something in Java is upper camel case. Okay. We either name something in Java in lower camel case or upper camel case. Okay. Or lower case. It depends on situations. So lower camel case means I will give an example. Okay. So like this sample method one. Okay. So sample method one is a lower camel case. Why? Because there are three words. If you clearly observe in this example, there are three words in this single name. The first word's first letter is in lowercase. Remaining letters of the word anyhow will be in lowercase. But second word, if you see, the first letter of the second word is in uppercase. And third word, first letter is also in uppercase. And so on. Except the first word's first letter, remaining all words first letter while naming something in Java, okay, need to be in uppercase. Such kind of case that we apply for some things in Java like variables, methods, right, is lower camel case. We apply the lower camel case for variables and methods. While naming the variables and methods in Java, we apply the lower camel case, okay, where first words, first letter will lowercase and second word onwards, the first letters will be in uppercase. Whereas in upper camel case, how it will be different? You see, I'll just write something here. Sample, okay, sample interface one, okay, interface one. Here also we have three words, okay, in this example. While naming an interface, we have to follow the upper camel case where starting from the first word itself, the first letter of the first word starting itself will be in uppercase. S is in capital, I is in capital, O is in capital, and remaining all words also, the first letter of the words will be in capital. That is upper camel case, okay? So for what all the things in Java we use upper camel case for naming while creating classes. If you have to name the class, we have to use upper camel case. While creating an interface, if you want to name an interface, you have to use upper camel case. Okay. If you want to create a Java project, while naming the Java project, you have to use upper camel case and so on. Okay. So for variables methods, we use lower camel case in Java, and for interfaces and classes, project names, we use upper camel case. Okay. I can also Google it out and show you like what upper camel case means, lower camel case means. Okay. Upper camel case, lower camel case, and just Google search and go to the images, guys. Go to the images, and the images you will find out two camels. Most of the people will be able to see two camels. Okay, when they Google search like this and go to images, as you can see, this is the lower camel case where you see the first word, it doesn't have the bump. First letter doesn't have the bump. Okay, so C is in lowercase. The entire word is in lowercase. Okay. Second word onwards, remaining words are in lowercase. Letters are in lowercase, but the first letter of this second word onwards is in uppercase. Okay. But here in the upper camel case, starting from the first word itself, we have the bumps, right? Like the first letter of the first word and second letter, second words first letter, third words first letter, fourth words first letter, all will be in uppercase. Okay. So this is the difference between the upper camel case and lower camel case. And for the interfaces, while naming interface in Java, we have to use upper camel case. Let me practically demonstrate this for you. So I'll create an interface for you, and while creating an interface in Java, okay, while creating an interface in Java, I'll follow the upper camel case. I'll select the interface option here, and I'll give some name, sample interface demo. I'm just giving a different name, demo one. Okay. No matter how many words I give, there are 4 words here, and each and every word, the first letter is starting word is in, starting letter is in upper camel case, uppercase. S is in uppercase, I is in uppercase, D is in uppercase. 4 words. first letter of every word is in uppercase. That is called as upper camel case. I'm naming this interface here while creating an interface. Click on finish. The interface will be created. Okay. And the naming have done in upper camel case. Not only this, while creating a class or while creating a project, we have to name that in upper camel case. So hope guys, with practical demonstration, I have answered this question for you. That is, what is the naming convention of interfaces in Java? It is in upper camel case. We have to name the interfaces. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.